I'm walking at Cafeteria New Beach. No one is swimming. I was thinking maybe I should swim. Is it cold? I'm not sure. Maybe I can try. Let's have a look. This is 黃金海岸酒店 Gold Coast Hotel. Let's try whether it's hot or cold. Should I go further? Nope. Maybe one step further. That's it. It is cold. It's not freezing, but it's cold. This is like Magnetic Island, but Hong Kong version. We have a lot of islands over here. It's cloudy, a bit windy. It's cool, not cold. But tomorrow is gonna be rainy for like 5 days, and then Saturday, Sunday will be sunny. Then next week again, rain. So why not make the best of the no rain day today? I'm glad that I'm out walking here and there. I think I've been here before when I was a kid, but I don't really remember. Like with the school trip, but I don't remember. This is the hotel, Gold Coast Hotel. You know how much the properties are? I saw an ad, 5,000 square feet. It is 4,000, 10,000. So $4,000 expensive. How many O's are there? 8. 4 and then 80 for a 5,000 square feet flat in this area. Shocking. You work your whole life for this, and even if you're retired, you still have to pay for it. We got planes on top of us in the sky. We got boats, ships everywhere. No one is swimming. Everyone is here looking on their phone. Constructions. We do not have shells to pick, not much. All the good ones are gone. Nothing. It's nice, isn't it? Another plane.